Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rizky Kurniawati. I'm from class AK3C. I would like to present my final project proposal entitled Accounting Treatment of Fixed Assets at PTK in 2021. And structure of presentation: 1. Background, 2. Formulation of the problem, 3. Objective of the research, 4. Literature review, and 5. Research method. Okay, first, background. Fixed assets are assets owned by the company, used in the company's operational activities that have a useful life of more than 1 year and are not intended for sale. Fixed assets consist of land, buildings, equipment, machinery, vehicles, and others. The accounting treatment of fixed assets is regulated in the Statement of Financial Accounting Standards (PSAK) number 16 revised 2014 concerning fixed assets. The main problem in the accounting treatment of property, plant, and equipment according to PSAK is the recognition, determination of the carrying amount, depreciation and impairment, loss, and disposal of property, plant, and equipment. However, there are still many companies that have not implemented PSAK as a guide for the proper treatment of fixed assets as a whole. PTK is a company engaged in manufacturing. This company produces its own merchandise in the form of cosmetics. PTK has implemented PSAK as a guideline in the treatment of fixed assets, but there is still treatment that is not appropriate, namely the repair of buildings that are recognized as standing alone as fixed assets and are depreciated the same as factory buildings, namely at a rate of 10% per year. Based on the above background, therefore, researchers are interested in conducting research regarding the accounting treatment of fixed assets at PTK in accordance with PSAK number 16. Next, formulation of the problem. Based on the background above, there is a formulation of the problem to be discussed, namely, first, how is the accounting treatment for fixed assets at PTK in 2021, and 2. Is the accounting treatment of assets at PTK is accordance with PSAK number 16. And next, objective of the research. The goal to be achieved in this research is to analyze and compare how the accounting treatment of fixed assets at PTK with PSAK. Next, literature review. 1. Definition of fixed assets. 2. Characteristics of fixed assets. 3. Fixed asset classification. 4. Fixed assets recognition. 5. Fixed asset measurement. 6. Decreasing asset. 7. Impairment of fixed assets. 8. Discontinuation of fixed assets. 9. Recognition of fixed assets. And last, fixed assets disclosure. And next, research data. Data type. Qualitative data that will be used include the company's vision and mission, history of its development, organizational structure, and an overview of PTK. Quantitative data that will be used in this study are company documents such as a list of fixed assets balance, a list of fixed assets mutation, accumulated depreciation of fixed assets, and statement of financial position. Data source. Primary data. Data obtained from the company in the form of direct interviews with the finance department regarding fixed assets. A brief history of the company and the company's organizational structure. Secondary data. Secondary data is data that has been processed and presented by government agencies in a ready-made form in the form of a list of fixed assets and agency financial reports. Okay, next, Data collection technique. First, interviews. This data collection technique is done by asking questions directly to the accounting department that handles fixed assets. Second, documentation. This data collection method is done by asking for historical documents needed in the preparation. Data analysis technique. The data analysis technique used to compile this final project are 1. Collect data, 2. Examining the list of fixed assets, such as the characteristic of fixed assets and the classification of fixed assets. 3. Recording the recognition of fixed assets. 4. Calculating the measurement of property, plant, and equipment based on cost. 5. Record the method of acquisition of fixed assets. 6. Calculating depreciation of fixed assets. 7. Record the termination of fixed assets. 8. Calculating the decline in the value of fixed assets. 9. Calculating the disclosure of fixed assets. And last, analyzing the accounting treatment of fixed assets. Okay, next, writing method. First, descriptive. Writing this description is used to explain the general description of the organizational structure, vision and mission of the company, duties and authorities in each section. Second, exposition. The writing of this exposition is used to provide an explanation of the fixed assets accounting policies applied at PTK. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.